Dr. Friday is here today. I want to show you how to use if statements and VLOOKUP to prepare grade for students. Okay, so we're starting with if statements. And I already have a table for if statements. I have name of student, total scores, and the grades. And we have a table for grading. So no need to start looking at A and come here to get A and say it's A, manually typing. Then you get the scores is B. You come and check the table, say it's C. This one can cause a lot of delay and you can even make mistakes. So instead, we automate it. You come say if this is greater than or equals to 90, return to me A. Greater than or equals to 80, return to me B. Okay. Greater than or equals to 70, return to me C. Greater than or equals to 55, return to me D. Close the parentheses. So that's it. All right, that's it. All right, so anything you change here now to give you the result. Then you can also put a search note here where you can search the student name. So to do that, you need to validate this. Go to data, go to validation, and go to lists. Then take the source, press enter. All right, so it's validated. Now, anytime I search the name of the student, the grade will automatically comes up. So I need to add the lookup. Lookup value is this. Then the table array is this. Then index 3, add pause, press enter. So John Mark is John C. Gossin Mark is F. So if I want John Joshua or John C. Lovett is B. So this can help you. Instead of looking at the list with the search note on the top, you just select and get the grades of the student. All right, let's look at VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is this. You come, you have VLOOKUP. The lookup value is 90. Okay, the table is this, and take the index. Okay, take the index and press enter. All right, now the range we have to lock it with a $sign so that it will remain permanent. Lock it with $sign, then you drag it down. All right, so if I come here and add 79 to give me C, 79 here is C. If I make it 89 to give me B, here is B. All right, so you come and also validate this. Also validate this. Come and go to data. Then you also go to validation. Then take the lists. Then take the source. Press enter and click. It's also validated. Okay. Then here, look up. That's the way we do to the first one. Under the if statement, look over array is this. Then the table array is this. Then the index is that 3. Add false. Press enter. So Joshua, Joshua is D. So anytime I change it to Fred, to give me A. So just take a look at the two, if statement and a VLOOKUP, and tell me on the comment section the one that is better for you. But anyone you choose, just be consistent in it. And ensure that you comment, you share and subscribe to my channel so that you continue to get an update from me.